Hi friends, welcome to Tech Idea. In this video today I am going to show how you can install custom ROM in any Android phone. So first of all you need to install TWRP recovery image in your mobile phone. To install it, go to the description link. You will find a video, follow it and install TWRP mode in your Android phone. After that you need to go your browser, then go to Google and search custom ROM for your mobile phone. Make sure you have to search the custom ROMs according to your mobile model number that I am using here Uferia 5010A. So I am going to type custom ROMs for YU 5010A. Custom ROM for YU 5010A. Now go to the first link, it is extra developer. You will find some ROMs here. This is trusted website. Here you can see some ROMs for my phone. I have already downloaded MIUI 8 global in my SD card. So let's flash it. To flash it, you need to turn off your phone. Then press power button and volume down button together for a little moment until the Android logo appear on the screen. Now you are in TeamWin recovery image mode. I recommended you to make a backup of your current storage stock ROM. Select thus files and sweep to backup. I am not going to backup it again. Then go to wipe, then go to advanced wipe, then select Dalvich, system data and cache. Now swipe to wipe. Wait a moment here. Now wipe has been completed. Come back, then go to install. Now find the ROM you have downloaded. That's the zip format file. Here the ROM MIUI 8 global ROM. So select it and swipe to confirm flash and wait and relax. It will take little time. If it is failed, select the ROM again and flash it again. It's showing me failed. Then come back and select the ROM again and flash it again. Sometimes it's appear failed, but you need to select it again and flash it again. Wait for a moment. Now you can see ROM is successfully installed in your phone. What you need to do next, reboot the system.